In just 24 hours, I turned $3 into $150 using Pinterest. This extremely powerful strategy can completely change your life. In this video, I'm about to show you exactly what I've done to make that happen. So I've personally told people time and time again that Pinterest is the most powerful platform to promote your business. A lot of people don't understand why. It's super powerful because whenever you can have a platform that generate a lot of social backlinks like Pinterest will for you, whenever people save it to their boards, your products can go viral. You can make a lot of money when that happens. I'm going to keep this short and sweet and let you know how I spent $3 on an ad and made $150 in 24 hours. So let me show you exactly what I've done and what I usually do. So whenever I launching something on Pinterest, I do it in masses. So what I do is I create a bunch of different pins for one specific post that's linking to a product. And whenever I do that, I like to split test the winners versus the losers. Now the losers are the pins that's not generating any saves or outbound clicks. The winners clearly get saves and outbound clicks. And literally it's what people are attracted to. If they don't like how a pin looked, they're not going to click on it. So that's exactly what happened and helped me generate $150 in 24 hours. Now, if I do that every single day, that's $4,500 a month. And I'm spending not even $100 a month to make that money if I can, of course, keep it in a perfect world and keep that kind of money flowing from $3 a day ad spends. But all the time, that's not going to happen. But when it does, I can expect for those commissions to roll in like clockwork. So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So if you look at all of these pins right here, that's highlighted in red, all of the red pins, every one of these pins I'm split testing against each other. As you can see, this one right here got 27 views, no saves, no outbound clicks. 14,300 views, no saves, but 7 outbound clicks. So 7 people ended up landing on my link. 30 views, no saves, no outbound clicks. 25, nothing. Scroll down. We'll keep scrolling. This one right here, 22 views, no saves, no outbound clicks. 14, nothing. Here go a different right here. This one's not red though, but this was included as well. Okay, it's 16 views, nothing. But this baby right here is the money maker. So these two are going to be the big money makers. That's the thing about it. Whenever you use a strategy like this, you got to understand that you can literally split test 10 to 20 different pins against each other, and you'll quickly find out that 2 to 5 of them, most of the time it's not even 5, 2 to 3 of them are going to be your serious money makers. So what I know already in just 24 hours that my serious money maker is going to be this baby right here. This baby right here generated 8 saves, 8,000 impressions, and 18 outbound clicks. Whenever somebody click on this post, it takes them to my latest startup called Hello Loyal. And this is a startup that I'm focused on the creator economy, and I'm teaching bloggers how to blog better and all kind of stuff like that. It's, you just have to check it out yourself, but that's not what this video is about. So let me show you exactly what I mean right here. So whenever we click on this blog post right here and we scroll down, this blog post is meant to generate affiliate commissions with web hosting. So when I scroll down right here, when we scroll down, you see right there highlighted in WordPress, that's one link. But check this out, Bluehost. Whenever somebody click on this Bluehost link right here and they sign up with Bluehost, I get a $50 commission every time that happens. So how I made the money is I had 3 different people do that in a 24-hour span. And as you can see, it's $154.81 in here, but I already had $4.81 in the account. But I generated $150 just from 3 people going through this process, seeing the pin on Pinterest, clicking through that pin, checking out this post right here, and clicking on a hyperlink. And 3 people signed up, and that's a $150 commission. And I only spent $3 in a 24-hour span across 10 ads. So I spent $30 total across 10 ads, and one of those ads generated $150 in a 24-hour span, and that's this baby right here. So if you go over here to brandonbelcher.co and click on blog, I teach this unbelievable strategy right here on my blog. Now, you will have to become a paid subscriber in order to access this extremely powerful post for $23.50 a month. But you already subscribed to Netflix, most likely. You probably got Hulu. You probably got a bunch of stuff that's not making you 50 cents back. But what if you can subscribe to some information that's going to help you crush it? That's exactly what a blog post like this one blog post is literally worth a couple $1,000s, and you can access it for $23.50. You can cancel whenever you want to, but 9 times out of 10, you're not going to want to cancel because this one post right here is worth a couple $1,000s if I were like to package it up into a course and sell it to you if I were to sell you this kind of information. This kind of information is showing you. Now, this may seem simple, but there's a lot of stuff involved. Like, I'm also focusing on SEO. I'm also focusing on some automation. We got to do some keyword research on Pinterest and many other things. So don't think you're just going to create a blog post and put affiliate links in there and share some pins. It's not going to work that way. You got to get deep with it. You got to get analytical with it. You got to split test things. You got to do keyword research, like I said, on Google, keyword research on Pinterest, and there's many different things that you want to do to build a solid foundation. Now, you can make some sales just by keeping it simple and doing the paid ads. But what if you can throw in some automation and some SEO? You're going to be getting money 3 different ways with your links, with your blog posts. I don't care if you sell physical or digital products. If you tap into a strategy this powerful that helped me earn $150 from a $3 ad spend in 24 hours, it's nearly impossible to fail because you're building a foundation for today and later on. Like I always say, build the foundation today with paid ads. That means you can spend money today and see results tomorrow. But what about building a foundation that's going to last you for a lifetime, like SEO, Google SEO and Pinterest SEO? Well, in the blog post over here, you're going to learn every single bit of it. Every single bit of it. Now, I wasn't going to include that this information can be found in a blog post because I didn't want to seem like a sales video, but I haven't told you guys about my blog and the next level information that's going to be shared on my blog. So I just thought that this would be a good time to tell you guys about the blog since I haven't launched it on the channel yet. Just tell you guys about the blog and tell you where to find information this powerful at. So I just done this in the last 24 hours with this one post. What if I got 10 posts making that kind of money? That's when you see 5 or 6 figure incomes generated in a short amount of time. So I just wanted to show you guys what I've been able to do, and I'm gonna continue to test like crazy. This baby right here, I feel is going to also be a money maker, but I'm gonna continue to test like crazy, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted with the results. And if you are not on Pinterest yet, if you're not using Pinterest yet, I don't care if you sell, once again, physical products or digital products like ebooks. Pinterest will help your business skyrocket because whenever people are saving, see that 2 saves? Whenever people are saving, you got to understand, they are saving it to their Pinterest boards. Now, what if somebody go check out their Pinterest board, which that's how it happens, somebody that you don't even know, check out their Pinterest board and see your pin saved on their board. They can easily click through and make a purchase and you don't even know that person. The blog post link that you can subscribe and become a premium subscriber for premium information like this, that blog post link is going to be in the description. Like I said, you can become a subscriber or you could just keep doing what you're doing. But at the end of the day, if you want to crush it using Pinterest, you might want to learn from somebody that's been at this for nearly 3 years nonstop. This has been my #1 platform, my #1 favorite platform, and I've been crushing it nonstop with different worlds of products. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.